Hi, my name is Ben at Bullion RV. Today I'm going to be giving you a walk around of one of our pre-owned units that just got here, and it's a unique one. It's a Class B. We don't get a lot of Class Bs. This is a 2020 Winnebago National Park Edition, Limited Edition Travato 59KL. So the Lithium Edition, National Park Edition, lots to love about this. We'll give you a walk around. It has not been cleaned yet, so bear with us. We are going to clean it. We are going to touch up some of the little things on it. We'll give you a walk around here. So just from the outside, kind of as we look around, pan around, obviously we have the awesome Ram ProMaster chassis, drives beautifully. They make this color, it's a darker color. The graphics again are for the National Park Edition. Like I said, we got to clean this real good and scrub it good. So some of the things right off the top, I actually did this video originally when it was brand new and we sold it. They have upgraded sumo springs. You have a little bit more aggressive tires on this one. These are all-terrain BF Goodrich. It looks like they are the originals from what I can tell. Just take a quick peek here. Yep, so the rubber was made in 21, and this is a 2020. I think it was actually sold in 21, but they may have bought some different ones. I'll have to double check on that. But either way, those are a couple things from the outside, the graphics. On this side, I'll go through too what we have here. So first off, from the driver's cab, give you a little look. Again, it's dirty right now. They did use this, which is good to know. That means things were getting used, so we know if they work or not. Working the kinks out, that kind of thing. Drives very nice, some good room here. The steering wheel is going to be, it's a little different. If I remember right, where's it at? I believe it's a telescoping, if I remember correctly. Yep, it is. So it's just telescoping. There's no tilt on this. We'll show it from the other side if we can too. So these are the window shades. They go up on this side and they actually pull straight up. So I have to do both sides at the same time, but if I put this up and it latches, then I pull this, it slides up. So you do get coverage on your full window just from this window shade cover here, and then it Velcros back. You have a backup camera in this unit. Again, easy to get in and out of with the step. Leash latch on both sides. They raise the steps up a little bit compared to a standard model. And your gas fill is gonna be right here. Outdoor hookup for your cable. And then your 30 amp plug in here as well. Propane fill right there. Coming down the side, we're gonna have our city fill and our water tank fill. So the tank fill, that's if you're dry camping. Sewer hose here as well. Sewer hose storage, should say. City water, that's if you're gonna be directly hook up there. What's really nice about that, and I just want to pan here and then we're going to come back to the side. A lot of the models now for Class Bs have the water hookup in the back where you got to leave the doors open. What's different on this one is that you don't have to leave the doors open. You can have city water directly hooked up all night long and still be able to close the doors. Little thing, but little things sometimes tend to be the big things. Black tank flush. You have our dump down here. Hook up to that, it's gonna flush that black tank out. You have a light up top there as well. And actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this door quick. So we got bike rack on the back here. We got kind of folded down a little bit, fit a couple bikes on here. Typically on a brand new Winnebago, this does not come standard. You have to order this after the fact. So on the National Park Edition, this did come standard, is standard. Nice little feature. Hitch back here is rated for 3,500 pounds. And I'm going to give you a little peek up top here. So we're gonna climb up. Excuse a little bit of my camera work here, as I don't want to fall off the ladder. But what you're gonna see up here, you're gonna see that they have 2 solar panels. Get the air conditioner, and just give you a little overview so you can kind of see what it looks like. If you want to, you could use, you know, maybe that spot up there. You could put a cargo storage spot right there. Some people do that. I'll hand this off so you don't have Ben falling down. Now on this ladder as well, this ladder is movable, so you can take it off. It does lock, key lock here, so nobody's gonna steal your ladder. And you can put it all along down the side here. And on the bottom, because it's not gonna scratch anything, it actually lines up perfectly with this plastic piece. So very easy to use, very easy to get up above, very sturdy. I feel more comfortable climbing on this ladder, even down the side, compared to any fifth wheel or travel trailer that we have. Those get a little rickety. Backup camera up top there. Here, I'll open it as well. Make sure we don't hit nothing with that. So the KL with the twin bed system, one of the reasons this has been and is probably the most popular. You have bathroom in the back, so it makes the bathroom pretty large. You got a sink right there, porcelain toilet. Again, we're gonna clean this up really good. There's a couple things, you know, little things like that, not closing right. Those are things we're gonna tinker with and fix up. Medicine cabinet behind the mirror. We'll get this a little bit more inside when we walk around from the other side, but good hanging storage, drawers here as well. There's buttons all around, so you can put your shower curtain up with those buttons. Spray hose port back here. It's a quick connect. So if you want to stand back here, clean some things off, easy to use that way. You have a tire jack back here, your water hose, things like that. Nice little storage back here. 110 plug-in, 12-volt plug-in, and water pump switch. And then you got your light switches as well. Toilet paper holder right here. Even comes with toilet paper in there. What? Right? We try to do everything we can here, that's for sure. Oh, look at that. So you gotta be careful when you got this out. Take myself out. So we got the awning out just a little bit. We got some wind blowing today, so I didn't want it to get ripped off. Outdoor speakers, this speaker cover is off. We should be able to order it and put a new one on there. Again, these are things that we're tinkering on, clean up as we get units in. We got to do that. Again, outdoor graphics. So these graphics are unique. There's only a few hundred of these made, so you do not see very many of these. So you would look different going down the road. On the outside here, we have 12-volt plug-in, cable plug-in, and then this is a side port solar panel plug-in, which it comes with that extra Zamp solar panel. So you got 2 solar panels up top, solar panel here, you know, 110 plug-in out here too. But also you have lithium batteries with the Volta system. It's gonna have 11,600 amp hours, if I remember correctly, or wattage. And I know that it was more than the original Travato KL. I'll have to check on some of that off the top of my head. This is the first year they changed to the magnet system. Comes back right together. You don't have to worry about ripping anything. Some of those sliders sometimes get dirty, get things in them as well. Very easy to use. You got a table here as well for when you swivel around. But what makes this really special is the Volta system, the lithium. So when we step up into here, the turn on for the Volta system is right here, the Pure 3 energy management system. It's got some directions up over here as well. Light switches here. Down below, you're gonna have your awning light, your awning out and in, and then just some more light switches as well, 110 plug-in. So what's unique and special about the Volta system is that we can have everything in this unit running without being plugged in or have any noise of a generator. So right now we're sitting out here, you know, I don't know what we're at right now. See if we can turn this on. You know, this is the, there we go, we'll go high cool. It's kind of hot today. And right now it's at, it says it's 86 degrees in here. So I just set high cool. Now with, see, so we got air conditioner running with no motor running, no generator running, not plugged in, just out in the middle of nowhere. I'm gonna shut this off for us. And there's a heat pump in that as well. So that heat pump, that's gonna give you some warmth if it's, you know, 50 degrees, take the chill out of the air a little bit. This is that extra solar panel, comes like a briefcase. So again, we got solar up top. So you see the gauge here. We ran the air conditioner a little bit, ran the microwave a little bit, and we're still close to 100. When you drive down the road, the second alternator in this unit also is gonna charge up that battery pack. So you have the second alternator, you have 3 solar panels available. If you plug in, that's gonna charge it up too. But that's gonna be all your power. If you're plugged in, you're good to go either way. So when we look up into the front cab here, so passenger seat, I can swivel back when we stop. Got a great table here. Now if my partner in the driver's seat swivels around, this is cutting board, but it can double as a table. So maybe we got a sandwich in the fridge, we turn around, boom, eating a sandwich, easy to use. Maybe you're on a road trip and you don't want to have a big unit, but you want to pop around to maybe, I don't know, 15 different states in 17 days. Something like that. That sounds kind of cool. So, I mean, as I'm talking, I just put that table away. It wasn't hard. Some of these tables are difficult to use. Down below here, just a little bit of extra storage. We try to squeeze everything we can in here. It also comes with a scraper. I mean, that's included. We'll leave that in here for you if you want it. Oh, and don't forget the broom. That's awesome too. Water purification here, call again, so you can add some of that stuff. 2 burner. It's going to be propane. Sink. Again, we got to clean this still. But I like that right there. Little things, but that protects that cabinet when you're cooking. These are the little things that Winnebago thinks about that makes this unit even better. Now, if it's not a real hot day, but you want to get some natural air in, you got a max air vent fan. Those usually do not always come standard in all different types of campers. This one it is. The backup camera does show up on the screen here. Again, these seats, they swivel very easily. I kind of just want to sit here and hang out for a while. You got a light strip here, a little bit of nice storage up top. Our drawers throughout this, they're going to be push button up top and down below. You push. What's great about that, drawer is locked. It's not going to come out when we're going down the road. It's not even going to rattle. Easy, slides out. So you get 2 drawers down here, and then all across the top here, this is where your best storage is. These all open. Nice and deep, definitely room for some pots and pans, plates if you want. Again, easy, quality, soft touch ceiling, so better insulation that way. It's gonna hold in the cold and the hot air, depending on the season. So as we get in the back here, a couple things to notice. These right here, these are called ram racks. So you can put different types of carriers up here to hold things, easy to use. Windows here, we got shade that is gonna close out and block completely. So you get great privacy. You can block everything out, or you know, you can leave it all open, and with how open this floor plan is, you're gonna get a ton of awesome natural light. Underneath the bed here, this is where the Volta battery system is. You can see it's open right now. We had opened this just to take a look at it, so that panel just goes right back over there. Legs here for the table. Here's the table right here. So we bring this down. Now that table actually has to do with connecting these. And then also, so these, if you look, this can come up and lock into place. When it locks into place, now we have where our bed, maybe somebody snores, not going to point any fingers, but maybe somebody snores, helps with that, or if you just want to read at night, prop it up that way. And this one, you know, it does connect a little bit different. Up here too, we got a remote for the fan. Nice little grates that come down. You know, you put your cell phone in, maybe a book at night. 12-volt plug in here, or excuse me, USB plug in here. Charge your phones up. Reading lights up top. Get another one on this side. Over here is going to be our control panel, holding tank heater, so you can turn that on if it's cold out to prevent those tanks from freezing up. Truma system, LP, you know, again, solar. You can see how much you're getting in with your solar. Your Truma system is going to be your hot water and your furnace. You can set that where your hot water is heating right when you wake up in the morning. So there's some pretty cool things that you can do with that. Working back into the bathroom. So I'm about 6 feet tall. I'm sitting here right now very comfortably. You know, I think maybe the best part is I got a window to look out of. You know, you don't always get that nice, beautiful view while you're having your personal time. Hanging storage, nice big closet, easy. You could put, you know, a few shirts, pants in here. Again, you got buttons that's going to connect with this all around. Got some cleaners in there they left for you too. Some good storage. You got 3 drawers here. They put the bamboo piece down here so you don't slip, so it doesn't slip. Now, if you don't use this for a bathroom or a shower, you really just use this for storage. But again, I mean, you got good space in here. I can stand up, move around. So for a Class B van, definitely probably is the most convenient bathroom you're going to find. And then just the ability to open up the back here really is nice to have, because you can walk out, you can load things up. Very simple to use. So that's majority of this unit all around. You know, I may have missed something. Oh yeah, radio we got up here too. Our TV, it does lock in place. This pull handle is gonna unlock it, and then you can swivel it out. So you can watch TV up by the seats, or you can push it and swivel it back to watch in the bed. You have either option on this unit. That's really nice. It is a nice big swivel arm too. Easy to lock in, so you don't have to worry about it going down the road. Fridge freezer combo here. Little freezer box up top. The rest is a fridge. So again, Class B van, open space, open concept, open air, easy to sleep, easy to get to the bathroom at the same time. You can do everything without being plugged in, without running a generator. And that right there, very valuable to have. Again, upgraded sumo springs. You have the decal package, extra solar panel. I mean, we're talking definitely lots and lots and lots of added value with this limited edition National Park Edition. So we're very happy to have it in. We definitely need to do some cleaning on it, but we wanted to get this video out to you as quick as we could. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Ben from Bowling RV, and thank you for your time.